In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play workshop maps in Human Fall Flat. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Downloading and accessing workshop maps in Human Fall Flat is extremely simple. You will be able to do this whole process inside of the game, so you don't have to go into the Steam community page and access the workshop maps in there. It can easily be found inside of the game, so all that you have to do is first go into Play and then choose Local. When you choose Local, you will be able to find a bunch of options, a bunch of maps or levels that are already bundled with the game, but you will also find the option to open the Steam Workshop. So if you still need to download maps from the workshop, just go ahead and click this option. You will then be able to browse through all of the levels. You can sort them by popular, recommended, and other categories, and once you find one level that satisfies you, just go ahead and click this green button to subscribe to the level. It is then going to be downloaded, and you need to wait until the download finishes before you can access it in game, but once it is downloaded, go back into that same page and you will be able to find subscribed levels, which are the levels that you've downloaded from the workshop. When you go inside, you can find all of them here. So just select any of them and load into the map. It is extremely simple and you should be able to play it through and through. You will be able to download as many as you want as long as you have enough storage space, and if you don't like a map, you don't have to go through the process of removing it, but if you want to, just go back into the workshop page and click the subscribe button again, and you will successfully unsubscribe from that map or level. And you can do this as many times as you wish, like I mentioned. You should be able to connect the secondary controller and do split screen if you want to, and explore the map through and through with friends, alone, and so on. There are a lot of cool maps to explore, and I recommend that you sort them by most popular so you can guess the highest quality and most popular ones available. I hope I was able to help you on how to play workshop maps in Human Fall Flat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.